Hi, I will show how to add mathematical equation in Google Form, and also I will show how to draw graphs of some mathematical equations in Google Form. See, for this, first we have to open Google Chrome browser. After opening Google browser, we have to add one extension, that is Equatio. This is a simple math software. Equatio. Click on it. Equatio. Spelling mistake. Equatio. Here you can see Equation Math Made Digital, Google Chrome. See, this is the logo of this Equatio Math Made Digital. Now add this extension to our Google Chrome browser. Click on Add Extension. Once it is added to our Google Chrome browser, second step is we have to open Google Drive. For this, go to Google Apps. There you have to click on Google Drive. Now in the left side, you can see the tab New. Click on it and go to More and Google Forms. There you can see two options: blank form from a template. Click on from a template. Click on blank quiz. Now you can see blank quiz. The name blank quiz. This is title of this form. I'm changing this title to quiz 1. Here also I'm changing this title to quiz 1. Now click on untitled question. Now I would like to add first question. See, suppose in the middle of the question, if we get some mathematical equation, in that case, how can we add mathematical equation? See, here you can see the icon. This is insert math icon. Click on this insert math icon. You can see in the bottom of the browser, bottom of this page, there are different options. Here the sum notation represents equation editor, latex editor, graph editor, and handwriting recognition, speech input, etc. So there are several options. Now I would like to add first question. Suppose in our question, in the middle of the question, we have some mathematical equation. For example, solve the differential equation d2y by dx square plus dy by dx plus y is equal to x. In the right, in the bottom of the browser, in the right side, we have insert math, edit math. Click on insert math. So you can see the first equation: solve the differential equation. Okay. Suppose if you want to add some more with initial conditions, with the initial conditions, y is equal to y dash is equal to 0. Simply click on. So you can add question number also. You can add question number 1. So this is our first question. Okay. Now in the option, suppose if you want to give add mathematical equation integral symbol. How can we use that integral symbol? Simply type int. Here we get two options: definite integral, indefinite integral. Click on definite integral. 4 1 function sin x dx. Just click on insert math. Simply it will appear in option 1 and in option 2. Suppose if you want to give some matrices, matrices. Simply type MAT. You will get 2 by 2, 3 by 3. That we can extend it to any order: 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 3 by 4, 3 by 5, etc. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 6, 7. Suppose if you want to extend this order to 4 by 4 or 3 by 4. See, just 4, 5, 6. This is 3 by 4. Suppose if you want to type 4 by 4, 5, 6, 7, space 6. This is 4 by 4. Just click on insert math. In option 2, you can see that in option 2, you can see that matrix. Suppose in option 3, if you want to add some graph, I will show how to add, how to draw graphs of some mathematical equation. Option 3, suppose if you want to give some graph, just remove this and click on graph editor. Now we can draw graph of any mathematical equation. Y is equal to x square plus x plus 2. See, this is graph of this equation. Just click on insert graph. In option 3, you can see that's, see, this is the symbol of, this is the graph of y is equal to x square plus x plus 2. In option 4, if you want to give any other mathematical equation, here I will show how to use latex. Suppose if you don't know how to use latex, simply click here in math equation editor, integral a to b, so 1, lower limit is 0, sin x dx. So you click on latex editor. So you can see this latex code. This is the latex code that we don't need. So we use only symbol. Click on insert now. See, in option 4, you can see integral 0 to 1 sin x dx. Now if you want to see the preview, just click on preview. See, in this way you can see the first question. These are the option 1, option 2, option 3, option. So this is very simple, very useful also. Thank you.